In very bright light, it would apply a filter that automatically makes things not so blown out looking. OnePlus is a company that's all about streamlined, smooth, sleek, and non-invasive design. Here at TechTheLead, we've covered the OnePlus 7 Pro and the OnePlus 7T Pro, and now they've come out with a concept phone that's based on those two phones, but it's way more futuristic. How is it so? Boom! That's the OnePlus Concept One. Completely concept phone that uses electrochromic glass, which you may not have heard for mobile phones because it's mainly used on airplanes and McLaren cars. What it is some would call it smart glass. When there's a lot of light outside, it would automatically dim the glass, and when there's low light, it would automatically adjust to the light outside. With electrochromic glass, what could that do for a mobile phone? Well, for one, it can hide the cameras. As you can see, there are 3 cameras in the back. But sometimes you just don't want to see the cameras. And boom, like magic, they kind of just disappear. Something else new about this concept phone is that it has ND filter, which is something you only see in professional equipment, where in very bright light, it would apply a filter that automatically makes things not so blown out looking. But something that is very familiar with the phone is the hidden selfie camera. Let me demo that for you again. Selfie mode. And boom, did you see that? It's like magic, it just pops right up like that. And when I turn selfie mode off, bye-bye, see ya. And again, streamlined, non-invasive, nothing that just sticks out. So unfortunately, this is a concept phone. It won't be out on the market, but I do have my hands on one of them right now that's not in the case. It feels nice and smooth and light. And I really do hope that we do see something like this on the market soon because that electrochromic glass, clutch.